Video 10. Lesson 10, Axis Grid. We start with the site plan we inherit from the previous video. Double-click on the space area to display building structure. Select Red State, Active, for number sen, Lloyd Truck drawing file, and change state of number 1, site plan, into grey, reference. We are in the number 7, Lloyd Truck. Let's begin to create the axis grid. Click on the axis grid on the action bar. This is a palette to define the parameters for axis grid. There are 2 tabs for Define, Axis and Label. At Axis tab, 0 degree for rotation angle. Select Layer, DE_grid for Axis. Click on this checkbox to make same representation for all axes. Pen, line, color. For Xdirection, parameter of axis. Enter distances and their number for axis, where figures are separated by semicolon. When certain distances are the same, put their number and star before the distance. We can choose the angle for settings in Xdirection. We also set up the projection from axis end to the bottom and to the top. The same for Y and Z direction. In the Label tab, there are general settings and specific settings for each direction. In general settings includes text, color, border and offset. Labeling in Xdirection. You can choose custom text or available format. This is Label Preview for Axis. We will set direction of label, from left to right for example. And this is position of label. I choose bottom for this case. The same way to Y direction. After settings are done, we place axis grid at an origin point predefined like this. We created an automatic grid axis in Allplan. Of course, parameters of axis grid can be updated easily if necessary. Escape key for confirm the axis grid.